Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using the app. In this video, we're diving into the Headspace sleep tracking app, exploring its features, and sharing a detailed overview of my usage experience. Headspace has built a solid reputation with its guided meditations, but their sleep-focused app is also garnering significant praise. This app caters to individuals experiencing various sleep challenges, whether it's difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep throughout the night, or simply aiming for more restful, higher-quality sleep. The app tackles these issues with a multifaceted approach, combining meditation exercises, soothing sleep sounds, and comprehensive sleep tracking to provide valuable insights into your sleep patterns. A standout feature of the Headspace sleep app is its unique sleepcasts. These immersive and calming audio experiences gently guide you on a tranquil journey, promoting relaxation and faster sleep onset. Beyond sleepcasts, the app offers a curated selection of sleep music designed to promote deeper sleep, along with ambient soundscapes that effectively mask disruptive noises, creating a serene sleep environment. For a more personalized understanding of your sleep, Headspace offers sleep tracking functionality. The app syncs seamlessly with your phone's sensors or allows manual data input, enabling you to monitor your sleep duration, quality, and evolving patterns over time. This data-driven approach can help pinpoint trends or identify specific triggers that might be impacting your rest. Furthermore, the Headspace app provides expert guidance on mindfulness techniques, which are scientifically proven to enhance sleep quality. These tailored recommendations within the app focus on breathing exercises, relaxation strategies, and effective wind-down routines to prepare you for a restful night. The app's user-friendly and minimalist design makes navigation effortless and distraction-free. Overall, the Headspace sleep tracking app offers a comprehensive solution for anyone seeking to improve their sleep quality. Whether you're struggling with insomnia or simply aiming for a more sound and restorative sleep, Headspace offers a holistic approach well worth exploring. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information.